Introducing the all-new AIO-6 series. Featuring modular, innovative design, flexible and versatile installation options, meets various riding scenarios. Comes with a 22 to 32 mm standard clamp mount. Ideal for riders using the same bike for long-term riding. Optional CHIGEE quick release module, quick 2-second install and removal. Seamless switch between bikes, easy sharing with smart technology. Not just for motorcycles, now supports installation in car infotainment systems, breaking traditional vehicle device boundaries. Switch freely between two-wheeled and four-wheeled scenarios. BMW-specific quick-release module, OEM-level compatibility, deep integration with original navigation mounts, supports wonder-wheel control, direct connection to BMW ECU, real-time access to core riding data, merging technology and riding into one unified experience.